What's she getting? Hi, sexy. Hi.
Oh, hang on. Fucking weird insect just landed on me. It's Sunday and day 3.
What did he get? Stop being so rough with him then.
Say hello, Connor. Is that it? And he's gone.
Do you want to came out this way?
Day 3 has been mainly this morning on the fun fair. Because yesterday we come a bit late and all the rides for Kieran was shut. That's why there's so many rides on here with Kieran on it and Connor. Because me and Luke couldn't fit in them. Hello everyone. Now, what are you taking Kieran on now?
Got a ride over there.
Well, we're going there. I'm taking Connor on the simulator, which is a bit harrowing for me because it's really enclosed, but it's real good fun. And I've no doubt we'll be seeing me full English breakfast again. Well, that wraps up day 3. Day 4 is consists of whatever we're going to do and actually going home. So this is our last night. See you tomorrow. 3-hour drive home. Can't wait.
I've turned it wrong way. Chris always tells me off for that. There we go. Right, it is 11 o'clock. It's our last night at Butlins. You want to see what this place looks like right now? I'm going to flip the camera around if it'll let me. Not sure how to do it. Hello, this is our last night of Butlins. Everyone's asleep. While everyone's asleep, I've done all the packing. Have a look at all this. Everything is cleared. That's our clothes for the morning. Everything is back to where it was. Look at that. This is what it looked like when we come in. Lovely. Absolutely lovely. Nice and quiet now everyone's asleep. Yeah. You might be able to get a sneaky peek. Grace asleep. Don't know. Can you make him out? He's there somewhere. There he is. Snoring his head off. Chris is going to be shocked when he looks on his phone and he sees this. And in here. Look how cute this is. Little Kieran, fast asleep. I've even packed his bedding away and just put a sheet on him and give him a pillow. All toys have gone. Room's all cleared. This one. This is the stuff we're taking back. Suitcase all packed. Oh, toys, gifts, all sorts. Footballs. There's Connor, fast asleep. His little friend Finn. Wait till he sees this one. Mummy, I was asleep. All sorted. I'm kind of gutted, really. Could do with a few extra more days, really. Gutted we've got to go. Anyway, guys. We'll try and do a last video tomorrow day, but we have to set off at 11. So we'll be back home in sunny Oldham, roughly about 2:30ish. Alright then, see you later. Bye.